Hello, and welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this example, we're going to demonstrate how to calculate domain areas and block volumes using the examine function in Fidelity Pointwise. So I have a simple case here, just a simple cube. It is a block. It has been initialized, as you can see by the number of points here. Let's start with domains. I'm going to go ahead and select one of the side domains here, and then I'm going to go up to examine, and I'm going to choose area. And what you see here is we have this domain. The individual cells are colored by the individual areas. The min and max are shown here in the table under Extrema. But to get the total area of that domain, we have to click on the print to messages. And what that's going to do is print this table. And I'm going to come over here and just expand this up so we can see the entire table. But you'll see here it gives you both an average and a sum, which would be the total area of that domain. So that's how you would calculate a domain area. In a similar fashion, if I change my mask to blocks and I select the block, I can go into examine volume this time. Again, in the Extrema panel, it shows you the min-max. We get a color chart that would be for the individual cells. But if we want the total volume, similar as to domain areas, we just come over, we click on print to messages, and now we get a new table here, and you can see that it has both the average and sum total of that volume. Now, if you happen to be working in an older version of Pointwise that doesn't contain this feature, we do offer glyph scripts that will do the same functionality for both areas and volumes, and those are available on our GitHub page. And I'll demonstrate those as well. So now I can go up to Script, Execute. The domain area block volume glyph, like I said, is available from our GitHub page. I'm going to select that, say Open. That will open a little GUI. We can either choose domains or blocks. Let me go ahead and select the block. I'm going to say Select, pick the block, and say Done. And now it'll go through and calculate the volume. And you can see that we're getting the same values that we're getting from within Pointwise. And you can do the similar thing for domains. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop us a line down below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.